Hello, everyone. Today I want to share with you something very special, Chinese opera. Chinese opera is a traditional art with a long history. It has singing, dancing, music, and beautiful costumes. There are many kinds of Chinese opera, but the most famous one is Beijing opera, also called Peking opera. In Chinese opera, actors wear colorful clothes and paint their faces. The face paint is not just for fun. It shows what kind of person the actor is. For example, a red face means the person is brave and good, a black face means he is strong and fair, and a white face means he is bad. The stories in Chinese opera are very interesting. They are often about famous heroes, love stories, or historical events. The actors use special hand movements and steps to tell the story, so even if you don't understand every word, you can enjoy watching. Chinese opera is not only for old people. Today, more young people are learning it to keep the tradition alive. I think it is important to understand and protect our culture. In conclusion, Chinese opera is a treasure of China. It teaches us history, art, and values. I hope one day you can all watch a Chinese opera and feel its beauty. Thank you.